Hi, I'm Blaze. Today I'm going to show you a review and all the functions of my beautiful vibration plate balance board. So I have a bunch of videos coming of it actually in action.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Hi. So here it is without the cord. What I didn't show you, oh god, it's heavy, are the suction cups on the bottom, so it sticks to the floor really well. And then these go with the cords it comes with so that you can do this action while you are exercising.
Hey friends, I wanted to share my thoughts and opinions on this vibration plate and what I like about it. As you can see, you have your on-off switch here. This comes out and then the other end plugs into the socket, so it's easy to move around or put away in the closet or whatever. You have a remote control, which is great. You can adjust the speed and time while you're on it. And it also connects to Bluetooth, so you can listen to your music and jam out. It has 9 presets, which you can also add time to and or change the speed on. And then this also comes with these nice bands that hook in here on either side so that you can do arm exercises and just other exercises. Depending on what you're trying to do, you can stand on it, sit on it, you can do lunges and different things like so. And it's just a great whole body experience. Go ahead and stand on it. As you can see, the whole family can use it. He is on level 1 speed, which is fine, and it's showing him 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Like I said, you can add time to it or adjust the speed while simply just pointing the remote control down to here. We're now at speed level 5, and he's just getting a little full body workout. Something the whole family can use. This is a great one, and it's not too big and not too small. So like I said, it's easy to put away under the bed or in the closet or just out of the way when you're not using it. But I am enjoying it and I highly recommend it.
Among the packages you receive, there are 1 remote control, 1 power cord, 2 resistance bands, 1 user manual, and 1 vibration platform machine. If any accessories are missing, please contact us in time. Turn on the power switch. Press the on/off key, this means manual mode. Adjust time with the plus/minus keys, then press start. When the machine is working, the plus/minus keys control speed levels. Press on/off key to close. Press the on/off key to power up and use the time plus/minus keys to adjust the exercise duration you want. Then press the start key to activate the system. In the operation of the machine, toggle the speed plus/minus keys to modulate intensity levels as needed. When the machine is running, you can adjust the time through the remote control. Finally, press the on/off key to close. The machine is in manual mode. You can press the on/off key to close, and tap P key to select preset program P002, then start. To switch to another preset mode, press the on/off key to close the running mode and P key to select another. When the machine is in preset mode, you can adjust the time and speed through the remote control.